CargoWise One is a software that covers most of the needs of a freight forwarding company. The benefits of CW1. CargoWise One has attracted more than 7,000 companies in 130 countries. Direct integration with numerous partners. Airlines, shipping companies, customs systems, cargo community systems is unequaled. Its customized configuration will allow Bolloré Logistics to use a unique version of CW1 adapted to its needs. It will be connected to the Bolloré ecosystem, TOM, Link, DMPs. The gains for Bolloré. Thanks to its centralized database, the harmonization of the processes, and thanks to its single job file approach, CW1 offers significant productivity gains, more transparency, making communications much easier, increased customer satisfaction thanks to a higher level of quality. Concretely, the data will be entered once and made directly accessible by all the Bolloré Logistics operating experts, those at origin as well as those at destination, and also by our customers via Link. Auto rating. Thanks to the auto rating mechanism, IFFO can generate all the invoice lines and accruals for a shipment in a single click. Workflows to generate alerts. Based on workflows, CargoWise One will also provide some automated alerts, for example, on compliance or credit limit control. The same workflows and process will be applicable globally. For any information around the One TMS program, please reach out through our Yammer group. Looking forward to introducing you to CW1.